Hi everyone! Welcome to Bahay at Buhay! This is my new space for real estate stories, my virtual assistant life, and inspiration for building the life and home that we dream of. So, about me, Bahay at Buhay is more than just like about houses, it's about life behind them. And this channel po, pag-uusapan natin ang aking experience as a virtual assistant, kung paano ko po ito na kuha, and yung mga journey natin with our client, of course, at kung paano tayo kumita habang nasa bahay. At sana po maging inspiration po ito sa mga gustong magsimula ng bagong career or business. And why I created this channel dahil I know that what it feels if you want something better, better income, better home, and better life. Alright, so and through this journey of mine as a real estate virtual assistant and at the same time work from home, nag-aalaga ng mga anak, I hope that you too will discover some opportunities that we never expected. So, ayun guys, if gusto niyo po masubaybayan ng journey nito, please don't forget to follow and subscribe. Bye for now! Bye!